Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add the EndNote extension to Microsoft Word for managing citations and references efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and check if the EndNote tab is already visible on the ribbon at the top of the screen. If you see it, you're ready to go. But if not, don't worry. We'll guide you through adding it manually. If the tab is missing, here's what to do. Locate EndNote configure file in the EndNote folder in C drive or wherever you have installed your EndNote software as described in the video. Now open it and follow the prompts. If that doesn't work, you can manually add the extension from Word. In Word, click File, then Options. In the Options window, select Add-ins from the left sidebar. At the bottom, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Manage. Select COM add-ins from that list and click Go. A window will appear showing available add-ins. Look for EndNote Cite while you write and make sure the box next to it is checked. Then click OK. Now restart Word, and you should see the EndNote tab at the top, ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully added the EndNote extension to Microsoft Word. Now you can seamlessly insert citations and references into your documents. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on our channel.